Hello. In this lab, installation of Scilab is discussed. Aim is installation of Scilab. Object is how to install Scilab. Software Scilab. So first, we try to understand what is Scilab. Scilab is a free and open source software for numerical computation, providing a powerful computation environment for engineering and scientific applications. Scilab includes hundreds of mathematical functions. It has a high-level programming language allowing access to advanced data structure, 2D and 3D graphical functions. Its ability to interconnect with third-party technologies and applications, Scilab can also act as a unique platform to bring together codes written in different programming language in a single unified language, and thus facilitating their distribution, their backup and use. A large number of functionalities included in Scilab, like math and simulation, which include for usual engineering and science application, including mathematical operations and data analysis, 2D and 3D visualization for graphics, functions to visualize, annotate, and export data in many ways to create and customize various types of plots and charts, optimization, algorithm to solve constrained and unconstrained continuous and discrete optimization problems, statistic, tools to perform data analysis and modeling, control systems, standard algorithm and tools for control system study, signal processing, for visualize, analyze, and filter signal in time and frequency domain, application development, increase Scilab native functionality and manage data exchange with external tools. XCOS, dynamic system modeling, that modeling mechanical systems, hydraulic circuit, and control system. MATLAB is another software which is widely used, and Scilab is also use similar kind of function, but there are some difference. Here some differences are listed. These differences are not the limited. There are more number of difference in terms of use, but some differences are here mentioned, like MATLAB. From file menu, open and create new source file. Source file has extension .m, whereas in Scilab, source file extension is .sci. When function returns a value, function in bracket r is equal to test in parentheses a comma b and end. Whereas in Scilab, function return value like function name without any kind of bracket is equal to test in parentheses a comma b and end function. When function does not return value, like function blank is equal to test a comma b, here in Scilab, function test a comma b and function here. For comment, here percent sign is used, here // is used for Scilab. Write the function name in command window to run, whereas in Scilab, execute manual load into Scilab and then write the function name in command window to run. This is a modulo operation. There are so many functions are there. They are different, but only here listed one or two, like modulo and fprintf, like in MATLAB mode, then in Scilab p modulo, in MATLAB fprintf, whereas in Scilab printf. One of the most basic difference is that MATLAB is a commercial software, whereas Scilab is an open source software. So that is one of the biggest advantage that we can use the Scilab. So first we understand how to download the Scilab. So for that, click this link scilab.org, and you can see download the latest version when you click download. So version latest is Scilab 6.11 for 64-bit and for 32-bit. So whenever at the time of use, you can select as per your requirement for Windows, Linux, Mac OS. Other thing is that other than Scilab, Axos, toolboxes, applications are given, as well as tutorials are also given use cases for different applications like aerospace, automotive, energy, and metallurgy, mining, pharmaceutical, medical research, education are given. Then training and user support, then cloud operations, and the community discussion or detail are given in this particular website. But first thing is download the latest version whenever you to use the Scilab for any operating system. Like here we use Windows. Is if you're 64-bit, then click on this 64-bit exe. It has download here for 6.0.1 Scilab software operations discussed that this kind of exe is downloaded in your folder. This is the then next is select the language after downloading the exe file. Click on OK. Then next set the Scilab wizard. Click next. Then license agreement. After reading carefully this license, accept the agreement. Click on next. Then this is the installation path that you want to choose. You can also change as per your requirement. By default in C program file that is installed. Click on next. Then this is the different component of Scilab. By default component are selected. If you want to deselect or select other thing, then you can deselect or select here by clicking these buttons. But if you don't know the particular operation, then please see as it is and click on next. This is the specific requirement that around 610.9 MB space is required to install the Scilab software. Then this is the small icon that is created after installation of this Scilab. So this is an additional icon that will be associated with Scilab that we want to create desktop icon, then associate.eac.sci file, test file, the Texas file, the sort file with Scilab, and finally install. Click on install. So this is the installation process. I think within a few minutes your Scilab is ready to use. So complete launch Scilab. So after click on launch, this kind of screen is visible. So this is a console. There is the file browser. There is a variable browser. There is a command history. So this kind of screens are available in front of you. So this is the installation of Scilab. Hope you like it. Please do not forget like, subscribe, share, and comment. If you think that any kind of suggestion, then really happy to share your point of view modification in the upcoming video lecture. Thank you.